Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Lauren, my lovely client Lauren, because I always say my lovely client first. I feel like I do it to all of them in case they watch it and think that they're not lovely. This is lovely Lauren. This is LL Cool J. God. Anyway, yeah, this is Lauren and she's coming for a redesign. So we removed her previous set that was on for 3 weeks exactly, back down to the clear layer. We've done all the prep on her natural nail, the growth, and then I applied a clear layer, and now we're going in with design. So on the baby there, I just wanted to cover, I wanted to come back to it with some glitter. I just wanted that to set first. So that was birthday suit on the baby finger, just a little bead at the cuticle area and blending down. Don't want no bulk at the tip, because we're going to put glitters there and we don't want no added bulk. So just purely at the cuticle area, just to hide the colour of her natural nail really. So here I'm going in with Orchid from CJP. I'm just going to kind of do a line down the middle. You know what kind of nail this is going to be. You already know. I don't know why I put pink down. I could have put any colour down, but we went for pink, and I wanted to kind of do it a bit thicker because I keep doing them quite thin and then it's just a right struggle. So I tried, it was quite hard to do it quite thick. You don't really get used to something, but I tried to do it a little bit thicker and it definitely was thicker. So then here I'm going in, it's 2 glitters from Sonia Williams, the rose gold and another one, maybe it might be baby shower, but I'll put them in the description box. So I just picked up a small bead of clear acrylic, double dipped into those glitters, and then we're just going to place it on that little line that we've created, patting it and nudging it all into place. The brush that I'm using is my CJP Big Boy brush. I'm still using the one. Is anyone else using the one? I'm still using the one. This is my 2nd week on it, so I'm really looking forward to another week, and then I can probably see some get some feedback on it really. I'm hoping it's a good one. I really am. I'm panicking because it don't feel right still that I ain't putting primer down. It just feels really weird, but I'm going with it. But anyway, I'm still faffing around on this now because you know me. So once I'm happy with that, I'm going to cap that line in crystal glass. So I'm going to go back to the baby finger, and I'm just using those same glitters, so double dipping into the glitters, and I'm just going to do a little fade, go down one side more than the other. So this set was actually inspired by somebody. I didn't just make it up or go with the recent trends. It was inspired by let me get this right, Amanda Brine, Amanda Brine. I think it's Amanda _Brine. Oh, I'll put her name in the description box and you can check her out. But I think she did these nails about a year ago. So my client came in with a picture and I literally just copied them. They were beautiful. Her nails were more stiletto than mine of the shape, but yes, they were inspired by her. So just thought I'd let you know that. So now on to the pointer finger. This is going to be an ombre with a little S, you know, the S shape. So you can see there I put down, oh my god, sorry, I'm drinking beer. You know what beer does to you. So I put down, not ash, I put down storm, and it was just a little too light. So then I thought, let's get a darker grey. So we went for elephant. So I'm just blending that back up for now. And then I'm going to come in with that glitter, and I'm going to do my little back to front S that I like to do. I don't know why I can't do a front facing S, a normal S like everybody else. I go backwards. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to do that on this nail. So the ring finger is going to be your sweepy marble. There must be another name for it. A liney marble. Oh, I don't know. You know what I mean? Like a sweepy marble. That's what I'm going to call it. So I'm going in with what colours? We've got Storm, Elephant, Snow White, Orchid, and a birthday suit. God, how many is that? 5. Yes, I'm just using 5. Just keep adding different colours to each line, making sure it's nice and wet so they can just sort of blend and melt into each other. So I'm going to do that on the ring finger here, and I'm also going to do the same on the thumb. So now I'm coming in with crystal glass, and I'm just going to cap all the nails, obviously except the middle finger because we are not finished. But I just like to cap everything, get it out of the way, and then I can file without any dust going on my design. And then you cap the dust in, you know what I'm saying? So I just like to get that done and out of the way. And then I will be back to file the little crisp line down the middle. So just a quick file really, because it was pretty straight if I'm being honest. So then I'm going to go with elephant, and I'm just going to put that at the tip and blend it back. I'm going to do it on each side, and then I'll come in with birthday suit and I'll blend it down, creating a nice ombre on both. I don't cap this now. I tried to do it a good thickness, but I felt like it wasn't. So once I'd filed it all, I then capped this now in crystal glass, but the other hand was fine. But just letting you know, if you feel like it's not thick enough, just file it all and then just add another bead of clear acrylic and you're good to go. So then I filed, shaped and buffed off camera, all that boring stuff, and then we're going in with top coat. So I'm using CJP's tack free top gloss and just apply a nice thin layer of that over all her nails. I'll cure in my, she will cure, sorry, in my LED lamp for around 60 seconds. I then do the thumbs separately because I never told you this, but I do the thumbs separately. Well, they put their whole hand in, and then I give a little 10-second blast, 10-15 second blast while I'm holding it, while they just put their thumbs flat, because I feel sometimes when you put your hand in it, that little side bit that's resting down may not get cured. So yes, that's what I do. So here's your final result. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.